Hello. Friday has been a chance for many of us to dry out before further wind and rain arrives this weekend. More prolonged drier weather is expected through next week, but the next weather system, for the time being, is currently lining up towards the west. Some showers ahead of that for the north and west of Scotland, 1 or 2 showers elsewhere, but overall it's a dry night, clear spells towards the east, lighter winds here as well, and as a result temperatures will fall away 3 or 4 Celsius in places first thing this weekend. A few mist patches as well towards the southeast, but much milder further west because by now the wind is picking up, the cloud is thickening, and we're seeing the first signs of that wet weather at dawn on Saturday arrive into Northern Ireland. And you can see the progress it makes. It's a damp morning for Northern Ireland, that rain reaching western and southwestern Scotland during the morning, Wales as well, and then by the afternoon parts of the southwest. At first it's on and off rain, it's mostly light, but it is accompanied by a strengthening wind, gales developing around western coasts. And with that wind, of course, it's not going to feel very pleasant. However, the wind is coming from the south, so temperatures up at 12, 13 Celsius. Technically, they'll be mild for the time of year, even if it won't feel particularly warm outside. A bright afternoon, though, for East Anglia in the southeast, parts of northern Scotland as well, before the wet weather arrives here after dark. And the weather is turning wetter as we head into the evening. Some heavy and persistent rain for the southwest and for Scotland in particular could cause some issues after all the recent wet weather. But by the end of the night, much of it is clearing away, pushed away by those gale force winds, and for many, it's a clearer end to Saturday night. Further showers into the northwest, and because of the breeze, I don't think it's going to be a particularly chilly night in most places, 8 to 12 Celsius. So we begin things on Sunday with the brighter skies first thing for many, although not for all, because we've still got this weather front just lingering there in East Anglia in the southeast, and it's reluctant to clear. A little pulse of extra activity will move in during the course of the day, keeping that rain going for the likes of London, southeast and East Anglia. Otherwise, sunny spells for many, but further showers will affect parts of western Scotland into northwest England, West Wales and Northern Ireland, along with a blustery breeze. A slice of brightness, though, through central areas, although a lot of high cloud will remain, and temperatures at around 11 to 13 Celsius, 10 to 12 further north. Then, heading into Monday, this weather front finally does clear, and it's replaced by a few showers in the west for Monday itself. But what happens as we start next week is an increasing chance of higher pressure developing, at first from the west, and then from the east. That will turn things drier, more settled, less wet and windy through next week. It will also take those temperatures down a little bit.